कर्तृराज्ञेया प्राप्यते फलम कर्म किं परम कर्म तज्जडम. Here the message that we have to understand is human being is only an instrument. Human being is not a kartru, not the doer, not the yajaman, not the commander. Through the soul, activities are going on. Because we don't know who we are, because we don't have our introduction about our own self, in that ignorance we have become the owners. We have become the doers. So Ramana is helping us to understand activity is different and you are different. You are not the activity. And the fruits are not at your commands. You may be putting your effort. You may be striving very hard. You may be not leaving any stone unturned, but still the fruit is not in your hand completely. So here the inquiry is the kartru. Who is the kartru who is commanding the fruits? That we have to understand here. To understand who is the commander, what we have to do is karma tajjadam. Karma is inert, it is happening on its own. I am not propelling the karma. When that is so, karma kim param? Why are you glorifying it that I am doing this, I have done such a great work and all those things? Things are happening. Things are happening. With you, without you, in spite of you, things are happening. If you look at the majestic view of the Vishwa, one realizes that one is only an instrument in the hands of divinity. So ultimately, Kartru is the Lord. The Lord is the Kartru. At the command of the Kartru, the Lord, everything is happening. Whatever happening, good, bad, vulgar, beastly, sacred, all are nothing but the activities blessed by the Lord. So here Ramana is suggesting us, try to connect with the Lord, with the Kartru. You don't take the ownership saying that I am the Kartru. If you are the Kartru, then ask yourself clearly what power you have. For example, I am talking. I really don't know from where the words are coming. I really don't know. I don't know who is organizing the words, who is organizing the flow. I am just sitting here and it is flowing. So where is my effort here? Even the word effort, at the ordinary mundane level, it's okay. We have to use that word. But if you are a spiritual seeker, even the effort, when we say, has no role to play here. Tena vina trinamapi na chalati. Even the blade of grass does not move without his permission. This is the absolute truth. When this is so, Ramana is suggesting us, Kartru Rajneya. At the command of the Kartru, things are happening. Now inquire into the Kartru. Find out who.
For the bodily existence, I have to carry on the activities. I have to do it. So, at the body level, activity is a must. For that, we have to work. We have to work to carry on the activities of the body, the biological activity, and related social activity, related health activity, related family activity. But beyond that, it has no value. So, karma kim padam, karma sajjavam. So, Ramana today made us to go through that experience. Most of the time we are in that dead state because we have condition with the activity. Now we have to come out of it. How to come out of it? Ishwararpitam. Ishwararpitam. Here Ishvara means awareness. Awareness is Ishvara. Complete awareness, total awareness is Ishvara. When you start experiencing that awareness, then your body, mind, intellect, all will start following that awareness. That is called Arpana. Arpana means integrating with the awareness. Arpana traditionally means, okay, do puja, do that, all those. That here Ramana is going to explain that. I am going to come to that. So, important thing is it possible for me to connect with the awareness? Connect with the awareness. Am I aware of happening? Things are happening and things are bound to happen. Whether you like it or not, whether you want it or not, things are going to happen. One thing we have to understand, nothing is in our hands. Things are happening. We think they are in our hands, which is not so. But at the ordinary level, we have to talk that language because only that language works. But as you start evolving spiritually, your idioms have to be changed. You cannot hold on to the same idiom and then go ahead. As the consciousness starts evolving, you have to relearn the language. The same language is not going to work. That's what Ramana is suggesting. Karma is a language, is an expression. And you need that expression. Where you have to use, you use that. But don't glorify it. That I have done this because of me and all those things. Don't glorify it. You work at that level. So when you start doing it, then what happens? Karyavam mana karyamuttamam. So which is the best action? Kaya, Vam, Mana. When these three work in harmony, whatever action comes out of this harmony, that is the best action. And harmony is connected with Isha, that is the awareness. When you are totally aware, then your prajna, your consciousness will become universal consciousness. If you are bound by the activity, then your consciousness is going to be confined, constricted to the desire, to the intention, and to that only. So we have to learn to act by expanding the consciousness. That is the message. That is what the